Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Essay Allama Muhammad Iqbal, or the heading also can be My Favorite Poet. Allama Muhammad Iqbal is our national poet. He was born in 1877 at Sialkot on November 9. Or we can write this sentence like this: He was born on 9th November in 1877 at Sialkot. He was a great man of his days. He received his education from Government College, Lahore. Or we can write this sentence like this: He studied from Government College, Lahore. He was a great patriot. Patriot means हुब्बुल वतन, वतन से मोहब्बत करने वाला. So, if we write according to this heading, my favorite poet, we can say Allama Muhammad Iqbal is our national hero, and he is my favorite poet. Next paragraph. His poetry is a message of zeal and hope. Zeal जोश दिलाने वाली, इनकरेज करने वाली, जोश दिलाने वाली, इनकरेज करने वाली, हौसला देने वाली, एंड होप और उम्मीद की. We can say his poetry is a message of zeal and hope for especially youngsters. He inspired the Muslims of Hindustan by his beautiful poem. It was Hindustan. बरसगीर के लोग, subcontinent people. Muslims of subcontinent, we can say. He inspired the Muslims of subcontinents by his beautiful poems. His poems are in Urdu as well as in Persian, which are widely read. As a poet, he is famous all over the world. He was the first who put forward the idea of Pakistan. His idea was very much liked by Quaid-e-Azam. He is called as the dreamer of Pakistan. So Allama Iqbal is called as the dreamer of Pakistan. मतलब उन्होंने पाकिस्तान का ख्वाब देखा था. We are very grateful to him. He died in April 21, 1938. Born in 9th November 1877 and died in 21st April 1938. He was buried near Badshai Masjid at Lahore. Or we can write his tomb instead of this sentence. His tomb is in Huzuri Bagh near Badshai Masjid at Lahore. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.